Are you looking to expand your social circle and meet new people? Joining local clubs or groups is a great way to do just that. Whether you're interested in books, hiking, cooking, or any other hobby, there are clubs out there that match your interests. Websites like Meetup.com can be a valuable resource in finding these clubs and connecting with like-minded individuals. Attending community events is another fantastic way to meet people and immerse yourself in the local culture. Check out local festivals, fairs, farmers markets, or city events happening in your area. Not only will you have the opportunity to meet new people, but you'll also get to enjoy the vibrant atmosphere and experience the unique offerings of your community. Volunteering is not only a wonderful way to contribute to the community, but it's also an excellent way to meet like-minded individuals. Find a cause you're passionate about and dedicate your time to making a difference. Not only will you be surrounded by people who share your passion, but you'll also develop meaningful connections through your shared commitment to the cause. If you're interested in learning something new, consider enrolling in classes or workshops, whether it's photography, dance, yoga, or language courses. You'll not only acquire new skills, but also have the opportunity to meet people with similar interests. Learning together creates a sense of camaraderie and provides a natural starting point for conversations and friendships. If you're looking to stay active while socializing, joining a gym or fitness group is a perfect choice. Participating in group fitness classes, running clubs, or other sports activities not only promotes a healthy lifestyle, but also provides a social setting to meet new people. Shared interests and goals create an instant connection and can pave the way for lasting friendships. The power of social media should not be underestimated when it comes to expanding your social circle. Look for local Facebook groups or Reddit communities where people share information about events and meetups. Engaging in online discussions and attending these events can help you connect with individuals who share your interests and passions. For those looking to expand their professional networks, and make new friends within their industry, attending networking events is a must. These events provide a platform to meet like-minded professionals, exchange ideas, and build connections. You never know who you might meet and the opportunities that may arise from these interactions. If you prefer a more laid-back and casual setting, exploring cafes and bars with a friendly atmosphere can be a great way to meet new people. Some places even host open mic nights, trivia events, or themed gatherings that encourage socializing. So grab a cup of coffee or a drink and strike up a conversation with someone new. For those who work remotely, taking advantage of shared spaces like co-working spaces can be an excellent way to meet other professionals. These spaces provide an opportunity to network and collaborate with like-minded individuals in a shared work environment. It's a chance to connect with others in your field and expand your professional circle. If you're a sports enthusiast, joining a local recreational league can be a fantastic way to stay active and make new friends. Whether it's soccer, basketball, softball, or any other sport, teams often have social events outside of games. Participating in these events allows you to bond with your teammates and build lasting friendships. In the digital age, there are even apps designed specifically for making new friends. Apps like Bumble BFF or Friender can connect you with individuals who are also looking to expand their social circle. These platforms provide a convenient way to meet new people with shared interests and hobbies. Lastly, if you're new to an area, attending meetups for newcomers can be a wonderful way to meet people in similar situations. Some cities have groups specifically designed for individuals who are new to the area. These groups provide a supportive environment to make friends and navigate your new surroundings together. In conclusion, there are plenty of opportunities to meet new people and expand your social circle. Join local clubs or groups that align with your interests, attend community events, volunteer for a cause you're passionate about, take classes or workshops, join a gym or fitness group, explore social media groups, attend networking events, spend time in friendly cafes, and bars, take advantage of shared spaces, join a sports league, use friend-making apps, or attend meetups for newcomers. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and embrace new experiences. You never know where these new connections might lead. And the meaningful relationships that may blossom